on a weekend trip, right? In the Pocono Mountains.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we're gonna walk around and show you guys the outside of this place.
And the lake and everything around us in the middle of the woods here, right?
Yeah.
Having fun? Yeah? All right. It's really cold out.
Mom.
And what? Ow. Go ahead. Madison wants to say hi to a couple of her friends.
Hi, Kaylee and Chloe.
Can't forget that, right? All right, so let's go check out this place. This year, or are you too big for that?
I don't know. Like, I think I like kind of want to, but like I don't know if I'll fit in it.
It's a little bit cold too for playing on the playground, right?
Yeah. I really want to go on the ice so bad.
So cold though, Madison. Our little cabin that we're staying in. Right next to the lake right here. Okay, so here is a quick tour of our cabin. We're sharing it with like 100 people, so it's a bit of a disaster. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of it without showing you the mass destruction of it. But here is the door where you enter, and then here is the main living room area with the fireplace and a couch over here. And then coming through this door here is our bedroom. And you can see Madison has her makeup still set up there. She was doing her makeup today. So this is our room. I like how the walls and the ceiling and everything is just like completely made of wood. Just gives it that really nice cabin feel. And then over here, we put together 2 of the leather chairs, and Madison made herself this very cute and comfortable little bed with her bunny sleeping bag. It's the perfect size for her to sleep at night. So we have another bedroom here. And then another bedroom over here, all pretty much the same. And then this is the bathroom area. And again, everything is just like all wood, even the ceiling. Very cabiny. And we're just playing games. And then here's the little teeny tiny kitchen, which is a little bit of a mess. We just had a whole bunch of teenagers in here, and they totally trashed the place, right, Madison? Mm-hmm. That's why there's snacks and drinks and everything all over the place. Look at this.
Bad.
Yeah.
Me mad.
But now it's just me and Madison, and
Dumb.
I just totally won bananagrams.
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
How are you doing here?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good?
Don't.
And that is the tour of our little teeny tiny cabin in the Poconos in the woods. Tomorrow's when we go tubing.
Tomorrow's the last day already?
Well, we're going to stay Monday too. And I hope Mommy feels better that I can go too. I have a really bad cold. I don't know if I'm going to make it this year. But we'll see. Hopefully I feel better, right?
Because every time you scream so bad, you're like, help me! I'm gonna die!
I'm a little overly dramatic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if I feel better, I'm definitely going to go because it's a lot of fun. Right? Today I've been reading this book, The Little White Horse. It's a kid's book, but I don't care. I love children's books. And just relaxing around the cabin, right? Little shopping, little relaxing by the fire. It's been a good day? Yeah, I think so. So, of course, the one thing I forgot packing for this trip was a brush.
Hey,
So we had,
too.
yeah, all the girls forgot a brush. Madison, Mommy, and Emily. Nobody brought a brush. So I had to get a new pretty pink brush, right?
And
it works pretty good.
And the only boy with her in the family was the one that brought a brush.
No, Patrick didn't bring a brush.
Didn't?
No, we thought he did, but he didn't. Nobody in the family brought a brush. So yeah, this is what we got. Really needed that. So our first day here at the cabins was a lot of fun. We actually ended up spending most of the day just like relaxing in the cabin. It was really cold out. The kids did some ice skating, and my husband got to use his drone for the first time. So I'll link some footage of that. But that was a lot of fun, just, you know, checking that out and exploring the whole lake with that. And you could probably hear I'm still fighting like a really bad cold. So I tried to stay in today for most of the day and just relax. But we did end up going to like the outlets and doing a little bit of shopping. And then me and my husband and my mother-in-law and my father-in-law went to a casino. And then we went out to dinner. And now we just got home. And yeah, that was our first day. And tomorrow we're supposed to go tubing. I'm not sure if I'm going to go or not yet. It's going to be like 30 degrees and snowing tomorrow. So I guess I'll see how I'm feeling. I don't want to push my luck and make myself even more sick than I already am, even though I really look forward to tubing with the kids every year. And I have gone every single year. I just don't want to like really destroy myself by doing it. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. But it's been a really great day, and we've had a lot of fun just hanging out and relaxing and spending time together. And now I am just going to go get ready for bed because I am really tired. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. You ready to go tubing, Madison? And it's snowing. I'm gonna give it my best effort, right? All right, let's go.
Hello, bonjour, ni hao, shalom, guten tag, namaste, hola.
We're here on a snowy day, Madison, huh? It's really coming down.
We're in the snow, Mom.
We are in the snow, going up the slopes.
I feel so special.
What?
I feel so special.
You feel so special? Because it's snowing? It's a perfect snowy day for tubing. I hope I don't scream, Madison.
This one is so bumpy!
So we're back at the cabin. Me and Madison had so much fun today tubing, but now we are really not feeling good. So we actually rent cabins with like a whole bunch of other people. So we have a bunch of cabins around the lake rented out, and one of the cabins is having a big Super Bowl party. But I think me and Madison just might have to opt out of it and stay in our cabin and relax, because we are just really not feeling good. And I feel really bad for Madison because she has a fever. I think she's starting to get warm, and she's just like, she's done. She just needs to get some rest. So this might be my Super Bowl Sunday, just sitting here by the fire, snuggling with Madison and trying to keep warm and recover from being outside in the freezing snow all day tubing. We had a lot of fun, but we are paying the price now.
Project Armageddon has been activated, and I will continue to speed up time until time runs out and the world will end. I am the timekeeper, and I want more time.
So it's Monday and we are headed home. The weekend was pretty good, I think, but it was too bad that me and Madison got sick. But that's okay, because we had fun tubing and it's a beautiful snowy day. And we're going to spend a little bit of time here taking pictures of the lake and all the snow and the beautiful woods, and then we're going to head back home. So that's it. That's the end of our little weekend getaway in the Pocono Mountains. Bye.
And the question of the day is, what do you like to do in the wintertime? And be sure to like, subscribe, comment below, give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Goodbye, little cabin in the woods. Until next year.